would like to congratulate Dr. Pramod Sawant and his entire cabinet. एक वर्सा पूर्ण केला म्हणून ऑफ दिस टर्म फ्रॉम 22 to 27 आमकां उलोवपाक गेल्यार म्हटल्यार जायतीं कामां जाल्लीं आसा इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. वी हॅव सीन दॅट गोवा कीप्स प्रोग्रेसींग इयर ऑन इयर आनी आमकां पूर्ण विश्वास आसा येता ते आनीक 4 वर्सां जी आसा सरकाराची आमदाराची टर्म that definitely there will be more and more works that will take place for the betterment of the people of Goa, for the progress of the state of Goa, and for everyone who are stakeholders in the state of Goa. Definitely we will see good progress in the next couple of years. Definitely म्हणून ते विचारपाकूय कमी जाता. जायतीं कामां जाल्लेलीं आसा आनी जशें उतर दिल्लेलें आसा मंत्र्यांनी they have fulfilled on many aspects. तरी आमी सांगला तशी फुडली 4 वर्सां भितर आमची जबाबदारी आसा काम करून घेवपाची. and definitely this cabinet is one of the best cabinets that we've seen in the state of Goa. Pratyek Mantri is very much capable of handling his portfolio and executing the duties that are rested with him. So definitely I wish the entire government, the entire cabinet, Dr. Pramod Sawant, all the best for the next 4 years.
Just one more thing, Vijay म्हणलं की 22% corruption
Honorable त्याने काल रेज केलेले आसा. Definitely Honorable Chief Minister should take action on whatever allegations that are taking place. काल बरे मोठेन डिस्कशन जाल्लेले आसा. So whatever issues that are there, आमकांय आवडना हे एलिगेशन जाता आनी सरकाराचें नांव खंय तरी पिड्यार जाता. प्रत्येक सरकाराचें नांव पिड्यार जाता म्हणजे प्रत्येक आमदाराचें नांव पिड्यार जाता तितून. So definitely Honorable Chief Minister, being the Home Minister, he should take this into account and make sure that proper action is taken or investigation is taken to ensure that this stops or खंय तरी हेंचेर बडी मारची पडटली.
काल बीच एरियांचं इंडिकेटेड म्हणून गोवा चालले त्याचे
ऑनरेबल तशेंच सांगला तशें ऑनरेबल सीएमान रिपोर्ट करचो इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करचे आनी खंय कितें इलिगॅलिटीज आसा तेचेर बडी मारचे. डेफिनेटली आमी वी आर अ प्रोग्रेसीव स्टेट हियर एंड टुरिझम इज आवर मेन ब्रेड एंड बटर. वी हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट वी प्रोटेक्ट the stakeholders, both the tourists that visit the state as well as the people that are running business. It goes hand in hand. आमी फक्त टुरिस्टाक प्रोटेक्ट करून आमी धंदो कोण चलयता गोंयकार जे धंदो करता तेंचेरूय आमी बडी मारूंक शकना. सो वी हॅव टू एन्श्योर दॅट holistically we take into account the entire situation and make sure that we may create a safe environment for people to do business. At the same time we protect the interest of the tourists so that more and better tourists come to visit our beautiful state.